Good evening. And tonight, over the course of many nights, we are going to attempt to restore this Moldy Bratz doll, a Sweet Dreams Slumber Party Yasmin new unbox. And she is very special because she was a birthday present from my brother, so I absolutely adore her. I think her dress is so cute. I just really love this Yasmin. She was a bit of an impulse buy for me. I just happened to come across her on eBay just a day or two before my birthday, and I placed a bid on her and ended up winning, and my brother bought her for me as a birthday present. And when she arrived, I saw that she had a little bit of mold, unfortunately. So we are going to try and fix that. I've heard of a few methods that might work, and my favorite method to try is the OxyClean method, where we soak the doll in OxyClean. So that is what we are going to be trying today. Oh, and before I forget, I just want to say that my channel is absolutely positively not for children and is for adult collectors only. Alright, and now that's out of the way, we are just going to continue taking a look at the doll's box. I love this doll so much, and this art is absolutely positively gorgeous. I just love this original Bratz artwork. It's just so cute. The box is a little bit damaged. It's not in pristine condition, but I don't really care. It's still so cute. So here is one final look at the box before we unbox her. And right now I'm just double checking the inside of the box to see if there's any more mold. Yasmin comes with this cute pink comb. And as you can see, Yasmin has mold on the underside of her chin and covering one of her eyes. And I'm not seeing any more mold other than really what is on the doll. So I'm not seeing any mold covering her clothes or her accessories. Not seeing any on her legs or her shoes and her hair. And let's unbox her now. Does anyone else remember these metal twisty ties? Dolls used to come with them instead of those stupid plastic gibbers. Oh my god, I have so many memories of these on Christmas morning and my dad helping me unbox all my dolls. I used to get, like 20 dolls at a time at Christmas. My dad would have to help me with these twisty ties. Oh, I wish dolls still use them. I find them kind of fun. I had a lot of fun unboxing this doll, actually. Yasmin came with one of those iconic flipbook catalogs and a poster. Here is Yasmin's second pair of pajamas, and again, I am not seeing any mold, which is great. These are super adorable. Her plush little pillow in the shape of a Y for Yasmin. Super cute, and again, no mold. Yay! She came with this little heart-shaped lip gloss. I want to bet how many years it's been expired. Yasmin's second pair of shoes, which are these orange sandals. Just double checking to see if there's any mold, and thankfully I don't see any. her little accessory pack with some makeup and a makeup brush. Super, super cute. I always adored it when Bratz came with little accessories like this. And thankfully, I don't see any mold anywhere growing on the plastic or inside the plastic. Yasmin's Slumber Party Snacks. So here she is, finally out of the box, and as you can see, covered in mold on her face. And now I'm just going to take a look to see if she has mold anywhere else. And I'm definitely going to check to see if she has any mold within her hair. But thankfully, she is looking good. I am not seeing any mold growing anywhere else on her body or on her clothes. I'm just combing through her hair just to double check that she doesn't have any mold growing on her scalp. And of our gloves during the unboxing of this doll, just in case there was more mold than I thought there was. All right, now I think it's time to finally try and get rid of that mold. So the method I'm going to be using is about that much OxiClean. And then we are going to get a tub full of very hot water. And we are also going to mix that with some strong dish soap. So I'm just going to dump the doll into the OxiClean mixture whole with her clothes on and everything, because you never know. I'd definitely rather soak all of her clothes and accessories. And we are just going to swirl around in there, make sure she gets nice and soapy, and just let her soak in the mixture. So here's how Yasmin is looking after one OxiClean treatment, and she's actually looking really, really good. So I believe this was about an hour later after her first OxiClean treatment, and unfortunately I can still see a shadow of some of the mold. So she will definitely need another OxiClean treatment after this. The mold doesn't look as intense, but it's definitely still there. especially on her eye, though I really didn't see much on her chin at all, if any. So I'm just looking her over, again, just double checking to see if I missed any spots of mold that I hadn't seen earlier. It's time for another OxiClean treatment, and I'm going to make this one even stronger. So we're going to use about that much OxiClean, and we're going to let her soak some more. Update a few days to a week later, and Yasmin's face is looking really, really good. I'm not actually seeing any mold on her face. However, unfortunately, it seems she has mold on the back of her neck when I don't think it had been there before. So I wonder if there might be mold inside her neck or something, inside her head. So I think I'm going to try one more OxiClean treatment and take off her head and just soak her head. A mold check before she soaks in OxiClean. So I know it looks kind of stupid, but I have Yasmin's hair in a plastic bag to protect it from the OxiClean mixture. Last time it was a bitch to wash out all of the OxiClean from her hair. So this way she can still soak, but hopefully her hair is protected and doesn't get all gross. You know, just doll collector things. So it's the next day, and Yasmin is looking absolutely perfect. There is no mold whatsoever. I think she's done, guys. She is looking super, super gorgeous, and I am not seeing any mold. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this worked. And here she is, and she is perfect. There is no trace of the mold left whatsoever. Not on her face or in her hair or anywhere. I am so glad I stuck with it and didn't give up and kept her instead of trying to sell her or something, because she really means a lot to me because she was a birthday gift from my brother, and she is just so beautiful, so beautiful. Here is a close-up of her face, her beautiful face, no mold whatsoever, and she smells just fine. And her outfit is so cute. Definitely one of my favorites from the Sweet Dreams line. Over here. And yeah, that is all I have for you. So thank you so much for watching. Buenas noches.